Hello friends, in this video we are going to solve question number 1 from exercise 7.4 and which is from class 12th maths and chapter number 7 which is integral. Fine. So in this exercise we have 1 to 23 question, and in all question we have to integrate the following functions. So in question number 1 we have a function which is 3x square upon में 6 x की power 6 plus 1. So if we talk about the differentiation, we have a formula for any kind of fractions of functions. But if we talk about the integration, we have no such formulas. So we have to use some method to solve such questions. So how can we? What are the methods? So first of all, you have to let. So you can let one thing here. So suppose I let assume x cube is equal to t. So now what you need to do, you have to differentiate both sides with respect to dx. If we differentiate both sides with respect to dx, on the left side we get 3x square plus 3x square plus 3x square is equal to dt upon में dx. Yeah, and now we have to cross multiply both sides. So we'll get 3x square dx is equal to dt. If we talk about integrating the question, the function given in the question, which is 3x square upon x की power 6 plus 1, so we can write it as 3x square by 6 x की power 6 plus 1 and dx. Now you can do one thing here, you can replace this by dt. So we can replace this by dt, and we have also assumed that x cube is equal to t. We have also assumed that x cube is equal to t. So x6 will be x6 will become t square and plus 1, and with this so yeah, now what you can do, so it can be written as, we can write it as basically tan inverse t plus constant. Fine. And now we can replace t with x cube. So we have successfully integrated the function which is 6 square upon में x की power 6 plus 1. So that's how you can solve such questions. Very easy to solve, but you have to choose the value that you are assuming. So you can think of it like, what can your function makes easier to integrate? Are you getting my point? So you have to simplify your function that given in the question, so that that makes sense to integrate by given formulas of integrations. So yeah, that's how you can solve. I hope you like it. Or so for other questions you can opt such method. So you have to use this method to solve other question as well. And if you find any difficulty or any problem in any question, you can ask me in comment section. I can make a separate video on that question as well. And you can also find all the solution given in the description. So I have already given the link for all the solution in the description, so you can find it there. I hope you like it, and if you find any difficulty in understanding in any solution from the link, you can ask me in comment section as well. And please give your feedback in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe if you like the video. And thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.